Hi, I'm Sheng-Chu. I'm going to represent my final project. Following is the outline. First, I want to talk about the algorithm used in the project, that is XGBoost. XGBoost has its own built-in feature importance indicator, weight, gain, and cover. Among them, gain is the one that can precisely show the feature importance. Next, I want to introduce how I process the dataset in the project. I used a 20 years time series structured dataset from Bloomberg. First, I remove the row of data that is on the holiday, such as Chinese New Year. Second, I try to add three more features related to the time. After finishing the preprocessing, in task 1, we want to evaluate different techniques for forecasting. Two techniques we focus on are sliding windows and expanding window. As shown in the picture, the sliding window using the size of the window is set as our training data. All we are doing is sliding it forward. On the other hand, the expanding window has a fixed straight starting point, using the whole data to forecast the next point. We use the MAPE and also observe the overlap between the true values and predictions to compare which approach is better. After the experiment, we have three main findings. First, we can see that the both techniques are in highly accurate forecasting based on the fact that both MAPE are lower than 10. However, surprisingly, I found that sliding window performs better. The results implies that using more data does not have better performance. Continuing, I do experiments on different window size in sliding window technique. I found that the smaller the window size is, the better the performance we can get, no matter in the shape aspect of MAPE or level of overlapping. Keep moving on. In text 2, I try to compare the feature importance of two recent recessions, which are the financial crisis in 2008 and the COVID-19 recession we are experiencing now. To check the feature importance, I use three different metrics. As I already explained, average gain is the one we want to highlight. I split the time into two different ways. First, I cut the recession into two parts. They are the growing phase in color orange and the shrinking phase in color blue. After feeding the function, I built myself in and checked the result. I found that the feature importance of depth spread is high in the going down phase, and the consumer confidence is relatively important in the moving up phase. Second way I split the recession into two parts is we mark the before the outbreak in color light blue, and we mark the during outbreak in the color red. Similarly, we fit into the function I built, and we can observe that before the outbreak, Morgan Stanley index is important among 66 fixtures. However, the recession is starting, the feature importance of that spread will increase, and the feature importance of the Morgan Stanley index will decline. So in conclusion, we have some findings summarized below. And that's all. Thanks for the listening.